Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start reviewing using UiPath. In today's session, we want to discuss about how to pass the variables and arguments to the screenplay activity. So basically, on our previous session, we have discussed about how to utilize screenplay activity and how to complete our task. But now, we want to use this particular screenplay activity as a replacement for the selectors. So basically, when I say selectors, we just have to make the values very dynamically based upon the contents which you're going to extract on the screens, right? So we're going to pass the variables and argument to this particular activity so that we're going to make this particular activity as a dynamic one and use in our real projects. Similar to this, I just got on a YouTube comment. So let's quickly check that. So she was trying to add this particular variables and trying to pass this, but unfortunately it was not working for her. So let's try to do this and let's try to make a live demo how to pass the variables and arguments. Let's quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio. So this is the particular activity which you are using on a previous session. Slightly you may see a different in the UI. So I just updated my UiPath Studio, so where you can see all these panels and move to the top. Then the object opacity has been moved from right side of the window to left side. And then you can see one more thing called as data manager. So which was in the left side of the panel, which has been moved to the down. So where you can see inside the data manager, you can see variables, arguments, all the stuffs. It has been moved to the bottom now. So apart from that, I can see UI sizes got reduced, and then I don't see much difference over there. So apart from this, so let's quickly jump back to our today activity. So also let me just quickly show you. I just created a variables which is nothing but username, and then I just passed my name over here. Okay. So how to do this now? So basically, if you want to pass a variable or argument, the thumb rule is you have to use your parenthesis. So let's quickly go here and then just copy this. Let's try to put a notepad and just try to modify this one. So let's try to modify this. Click on start and enter the variable value. So you can make the variable name inside this. So let's copy and paste this now. Sorry. And inside of this particular parenthesis, you're just gonna provide your variable name. Let me copy this and go here and then provide it. And then just click on save. So now let me quickly launch the RPA challenge site. Just go there. Okay, perfect. So let me just save this and let me try to run this now. So bot got started running now. So soon it will click on start and then try to enter the first name. So it has been entered the first name now. Let me quickly switch back my studio. So here I can see all the logs has been tracked. You can able to see the reasoning. But instead of passing the value statically, we're just gonna pass the value with the help of variables. So I just paste this particular username over here, say this close parenthesis, so that I can able to pass my variables. So similar fashion, you can able to pass the variables and you can make your code dynamically instead of using selectors. So you can able to use this particular screenplay active where you cannot able to find the reliable selectors. So all those areas, this particular screenplay activity will play a vital role. So where you're gonna struggle for clicking the particular image or something, this particular activity will make on behalf of you similar to the human and achieve the task without any issues or any confusions. I hope this particular video help you to understand how to pass the variables and make utilize of your screenplay activity. Also, I just request you to do the similar things for your arguments and try to post in the comment section so that I can able to understand so whether you are able to complete the task. I just tried it out personally. It was working fine for me. I hope this particular video help you a lot to understand about how screenplay activity can be used dynamically. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.